Everyone is requested to please rise. Everyone, please. Thank you.
Hello. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For the office of our elected governor, please repeat after me.
Having been elected to the position of Governor of the Province of Sulu,
Hereby solemnly swear
that
that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position, and all others that I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines. And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Thank you.